Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this 4K sports action camera. Hey guys, welcome to Laashaktech, and if you didn't know about the channel, as the name says, we unbox, we review, and we talk about tech. And if you're not subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe right now. A video every Sunday. Alright, let's get into the video and unbox this. Before we go ahead and get the product outside, so we see it right here. Before we go ahead and get the product outside, we're just gonna go ahead and overview the box itself. So it says 16 megapixel camera. Okay. Alright. 4K at 30 frames, which we have to test with outdoor performance, and you can go up to 64 GB memory card, so that's really amazing since most cameras go with 32. You have 140-degree angle, and these are all the statements that are advertised in the front of the box. You have the 30-meter water resistant thing written right here. And if you go ahead and flip the box, you have a QR code, probably for the application where you used to control the camera. And back of the box, you have technical specifications of like the image sensor and color resolution and all the other stuff. So it also says made in China. That's something that we have. Alright, then that's for the box. Let's just go ahead and rip it. Oh, I already did. Alright, let's go ahead and open. Nothing special, it's just a plastic box. And we have, these are all the accessories that come with it. And we have the camera itself on the top. So this is really small, as you can see. That's the camera size itself. It goes with my hand. Let's see if it turns on. I guess you should power it on. It did turn on, but I guess you should probably connect it to its charger, which is also included. So the charging brick is not included, but the charger cable is included. And you have a lot of accessories like helmet mount, bike mount, and other small accessories for putting it in your car or any other surface. And then those are the accessories that are included with the camera. So let's just put them aside and go ahead and look at the camera itself. So it looks pretty small, and it comes with this waterproof housing, which is actually mentioned here. It says 30-meter water resistant, so that is also something that we have to test out. And it also mentions 4K Ultra HD on the the body, so that's also the quality that we need to test. And the whole thing seems pretty solid, no cracks or anything. It's really not bad quality. And that's it for the waterproof housing, and we are going to open the whole thing up. So that's how you have to open the waterproof casing. It's pretty well done, actually. So then you get the camera itself out of the case, and you have the camera itself. So let's go through what's around the camera. So this is the camera itself. It has 4K Ultra HD written on the front, the power button, and the Wi-Fi indication on the front. It has a pretty big sensor, and it doesn't have the mount for a physical camera mount, so that's disappointing. But it does have a battery slot, so you can change batteries. And here's the small display that was mentioned in the box right here. It says a 2-inch LED screen, so that's what was mentioned. And on this side is the interesting part. You have the micro HDMI for viewing your images and videos. Then you have your charging cable slot, so you can charge your device or connect it to your laptop or PC to use it as a webcam. So that's gotta be it for the slots. And the third slot where you see a slight blue card, that's my micro SD card, which I just inserted. So this is how it is supposed to look when you insert a micro SD card inside the camera. So yeah, and on this side, well, on the top you have a light indicator, so I guess it's LED, and you have a button for clicking shots and taking videos, that's there. And you have two buttons for browsing through the menu, and the button pointing up has the Wi-Fi symbol on it, so probably it will be for accessing the Wi-Fi menu. So yeah, that's gotta be it for the unboxing of this camera right here. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Just before leaving, I wanted to say that this video is not a sponsored video. I just bought the camera with my own money. Thanks for watching.